You're so funny, Phoenix, I swear. You're dopey. You're dopey. Look, when no one's paying attention, that's when Rocky goes into the water. You're so funny, Phoenix. What are you doing? Jump. Up. Up. Ready? Catch it. Kangaroo hop. Kangaroo hop. Catch it. Catch it. Catch it, baby. Catch it. Catch it. Ready?
Babe, what's doing? Babe. Look.
What the hell is he doing?
I put it up there right so they can't go in. Still trying to go in the channel.
What are you doing? Goofus.
Oh, God. Honey,
Phoenix, ready? You're going to have a shower. You're going to have a shower after this because you're all muddy.
I want to go in that shower.
I know my backyard is full of mud, but I had to cool them down. It's hot today. I'll have it fixed very soon. It used to be all grass, yeah, that's right. Oh, nice grass until I got doggies.
Somehow, boom, mud.
She loves staying in the water, man. Rocky, where you going? What are you scared for? Phoenix. You want it on spray mode, Rocky? Phoenix. Rocky, you're so weird, I swear. Phoenix wants to play. Come on, guys. Come on. What? 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 I don't think he wants to play. He doesn't want to play, Phoenix. Look, he's hiding.